In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get this resource display at the top of your ComfyUI UI. So let's get started. Okay, so I completely uninstalled it and I'm ready to start from scratch. The first thing you need to do is go to your manager and hit Custom Nodes Manager, that button right there, and we're going to search for it. It's called Crystools or Crystools, Crystools. So we have two options here. I'm looking for the one that mentions the resources monitor. So that's this one right here, progress bar, time elapsed, metadata, all of that. So I want this. We're on version 1.27.3, but you probably are on a different version at this point. And I'm just going to hit install. I'm going to go with the latest and select. And a restart is required. So I'm going to hit this restart button here. Nice, and as you can see, it worked. I've got my resources at the top and it looks exactly like I wanted it. So there are other ways to do this, other plugins and add-ons, but I like this one and it's super easy as you can see. So I hope that you guys found this helpful. I am looking to make more videos like this in Comfy and maybe some more advanced stuff too. So I hope that you tune in and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in another one.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.